Hello, and welcome to the Harris County Community Right to Know map. This address searchable or map-driven experience allows you, the public, to increase your knowledge and provide access to hazards present throughout Harris County in compliance with state and federal laws and regulations. Specific chemicals are not provided on the website, but the hazardous chemicals represented on this page provide a great deal of information to aid you as you search by address or view all locations. Let's go through each section. We will go into greater depth, but the address search window will be your starting point for searching for hazards based on your search parameters. Reminder: this is only for information reported to TCEQ and in Harris County. In order to better understand the hazard categories, a detailed explanation is provided for each. On this page, you see the two categories of hazards, physical and health, but by clicking on View All Hazards, you will get more detailed information. When searching an address or viewing all locations, these hazards will be present once you select a facility. Moving back to the main page, the next section gives you a brief overview of common questions and provides additional in-depth web links. For example, as the data provided here is tied to Environmental Protection Agency's Emergency Planning and Community Right to Know Act, we provide a link to their website. The last section is the View All Locations button here in the top right-hand corner. This link brings you to an overview map that allows for various search parameters to be applied to all registered facilities. We will cover this in view in greater depth at the end of the training. Back to the address search. From here, you can type in a specific address, city, or zip code, and then select the appropriate location in the drop-down box. For this tutorial, I will begin with Step 1 and type in Spring, Texas. Then you will see under Step 2, a list of locations are populated. Select the desired location, then you're directed to the locations list near a page, which is looking for any reporting facility within 1 mile of the selected address. Viewable in Map View on the right and List View on the left. The List View lets you see the type of facility name, facility address, number of hazards present, and distance from the selected address. By clicking on View Details, you will gain more information. For this tutorial, I will select the Harris County Crown Castle, and under View Details on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the types of hazards present, and if I click the down arrow next to the hazard, it will give me the reference definition, and a scroll bar gives you the ability to scroll through the hazards list on the bottom. You can see which local emergency planning committee or LEPC this facility is in. Available contact information is provided based on known published references. As you may have learned from researching LEPCs on the main page, these are organizations that coordinate with various emergency response organizations, community groups, and other stakeholders. To return to the previous screen, just select back. The final section of our tutorial today is the View All Locations. When you select this link, you will be asked to acknowledge the disclaimer. Please click I understand to move to the website. Your initial view is with all hazard types and Commissioner Precinct boundaries selected. As you zoom into the map, the data will become more finite until you can select specific registered facilities. On the left-hand side of the screen are your search or display parameters. The first section is hazard types. Due to the number of hazards, only 6 hazards are searchable parameters, with the remaining hazards grouped into other hazards. However, all are viewable. Once a registered facility is selected, the next section allows you to filter by Commissioner Precincts individually or by groups. The last 2 selectable features allow you to turn on and off Commissioner Precinct boundaries and the LEPC boundaries. Again, these last 2 are not search parameters. As you scroll in, you will see the numbers replaced by disk. Each disk or disk represents a registered facility. For those with multiple stacked disks, then that facility has more than one hazard present. Once you have identified the registered facility you wish to select, just click on the disk. From here you receive the same information you did in the address search function: the facility name, address number, and type of hazards, and the LEPC contact information. We hope this website helps assist you in understanding the chemical hazards throughout Harris County. As a reminder, Harris County is representing the data as it was reported to the TCEQ.